Hello, I'm Scott Kerschner with America's Medicare Associates. Clients come to me with one simple need: the need to understand Medicare and their options. The most common questions I get are, what is Medicare and do I really need to sign up for it? These questions are very confusing for a lot of my clients. So one of the things that I've done is made it my mission, my passion is to help people understand all of their options and make this Medicare puzzle crystal clear for them. Many years ago, I got licensed to sell health benefits. And I discovered when my parents turned 65, there was really nobody out there helping go through the educational process for these seniors. All they're really looking for is someone to give them information and help guide them make the right decisions. That's why I do what I do, to help people understand all of their needs. Medicare is a very confusing and very complicated process. And a lot of people are fearful that if they make the wrong decision, it could impact them for the rest of their life. When we're dealing with retirement, your investments are all you have to live on at that point in your life. So what we need to make sure is that you don't risk losing your investments with a bad choice in Medicare. That's why I do what I do. I help people. I hold educational meetings. I go through the process from start to finish. I help people sign up for Medicare. I help people go through all of their medications and prescription coverages to make sure that all of their drugs are going to be covered. The last thing we want to have is a very costly drug not covered and you have to pay $300 or $400 or $500 a month out of pocket. If you have any questions, you can visit me on my website at americasmedicareassociates.com. I'm Scott Kerschner, and I look forward to meeting you.